You, how are you? I'm fine. I'm going live. Because new quota for the month of June 1st. Because now is June 1st, so I need to start live again. Thank you, Andre, for that. You, how about you? How's your life in New York? Um, Babe! Why you not replying me? You're busy. I don't have a buena mano right now. That's good, Eagle. Andre. Why? Eagle. Eagle, help me. Give buena mano to me, please. I don't have a buena mano right now in my life today. Okay, Andre, thank you. Thank you so much. Bye, good night, God bless. What time in your country now, Eagle? Sweet, hello. Why are you not sleeping? It's too late. Kelly. Everywhere. It's no work. Oh, that's good. You need to rest your body. Small. That's good. Hindi. Can I go back to the way? Hello, King. Shall we, King? Guys, help me. What's up? What's up, bird? Hello. Thank you. I'm happy if you sending me a gift. Eagle. I have chat on you on on here in Bigo message. I chat you. Thank you, Eagle. Thank you so much. Thank you. Sure. You want to kiss me, Eagle? Because I want. Thank you. Wow, that's a beautiful gift. Thank you so much. Mojito. Wow, thank you po. Thank you so much, Igel. Love, love. Welcome. Thank you. Kiss me, Eagle. It's my favorite gift here in Bigo because it's so nice. And I love the man. I love the man kissing on me. Thank you, Eagle. Eagle.